Greetings from the woods, from urban environment. I would like to share with you this really pretty knife. I'm a bit of, looks like, knife collector. I have a lot. Hopefully I won't buy much more. It's enough. I don't need that many yet. But this one is pretty. I wanted to buy it because it was on sale. It was like 10 euros cheaper than usually, like 16 euros I think. It's called Mora Outdoor Knife 2000. The sheath is for me nice. I just maybe would like that also this would be plastic, not leather, but it seems like quality leather. It will endure something. So the knife sitting well in the sheath. You can hear a click. Yeah. So it's not falling out. I'm quite satisfied. What I wanted is this blade, which I think the same is in Mora Kansbol, but this is far too expensive. So I decided to go with this one, which has the same blade. At least it looks like it's the same. The handle, it's quite comfortable. Maybe I would like it a bit more thicker, like more rounded. This is just my personal preference. Also, the advantage is that you can maneuver with the knife a bit better when you know exactly where is the blade, that it's more flat. You can maneuver a bit better with it, yeah? So let's see how well it cuts. On this part, first, it cuts really well. Let's try the whole blade. I think it performs well. It's scan grind. If you compare it with, for example, more classic, more basic, it has bigger edge, bigger blade. So this is comparison. Coming like feathers. With the tip. Goes really well. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Greetings from the woods.